Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set up backup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you want to create a backup of your Windows 11 and 10 PC and create a backup, then here are the process. Launch control panel first in your system. Here you will find backup and restore. Click on it. Here you will find backup or restore your files, backup, setup backup. You will find a link, setup backup. Click on it. A new window will open. Here select where you want to save your backup. We recommend you that your backup on external drive. So if you choose your internal drive, then such type of message you will receive. This drive does not have enough space to store a system image. The drive is on the same physical disk as your system drive. So choose a external drive. Insert a USB drive to your system, Windows 11 and 10 system, and thereafter again try to create or set up a backup. Insert a USB drive and thereafter again go to same process, set up backup. This is the USB drive I have inserted, and now click on setup backup, and you can see, please wait while Windows setting up backups. And you can see your external drive is now visible here. Simply select it and choose next. Now what do you want to backup? Let Windows choose recommended or let me choose. So choose let Windows choose recommended. Windows will backup data files saved in libraries on the desktop and in default Windows folders. So choose as per your choice, either let me choose or let Windows recommended, and click on next. Click on save settings and set up backup. Run backup and let the window complete the backing up process. Backup in progress. You will see such type of message and your backup is start. So you must insert a USB drive to take